I'm out here on the outskirts of Salamanca in a town called, what was it again, Anna?
Enrique García.
No, the town. Where are we?
Ah, Valdecarros.
Hi everyone, I'm here way out in rural Spain in the outskirts of Salamanca, visiting our Iberico pork supplier, Enrique García. They've been kind enough to invite me up here and show me around and show me what they're doing. So come inside with me and let's take a look.
Okay. In this year, we can see the hams and shoulders in the final part of the round. You can see they have natural mold. We clean every week. 2022. So they 3 years in this year.
Wow. Okay, so I'm here at Enrique Garcia's own Iberico pig farm, and they say it's free range. Yeah, it's definitely free range. They've got their own little beach down there. They've got all this land to roam around in. They got shade up there, and as you can see, they're looking pretty happy. So yeah, they're looking real good. What's up, buddy?